If you've been sleeping on the next big layer 1 opportunity, this might be your wake-up call. I honestly wasn't expecting to be impressed, but BitNet completely surprised me. I've been testing this new layer 1 blockchain and they're actually doing everything right. It's perfect for people who want to earn crypto without spending money on mining gear or getting lost in complicated tech. But what caught my eye immediately was how easy it is to get started, and that's coming from someone who sees new project literally every single day. As you can see, guys, there is no heavy setup, no stress, just results. And while I was playing around it, I found they're also running a 5,000 rewards campaign right now, which honestly makes the whole thing even more worth checking out. So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how BitNet works, how I'm earning with that bot, and break everything down clearly from a regular user's point of view. That being said, guys, let's dive in. Alright guys, firstly I decided to dig deeper into what this project actually is and why they're calling themselves a powerful layer 1. On their site there is this thing called the highlight protocol, and once I looked at it, everything made more sense. This project isn't just using proof of stake on their mainnet, they also use something called proof of useful work on their subnets. This is meant for handling real world data having use cases like AI and decentralized infrastructure. The chain is modular and uses optimistic rollups, so transactions are faster and cheaper, which honestly makes a big difference if you're tired of insane gas fees. What also stood out to me was how far they are going on the security side. This project uses quantum-resistant cryptography and zero-knowledge architecture, which is usually something you only see way later. But as you can see, guys, they already have it now, which is a major plus. And what actually made me stop scrolling through was the way everything connects here. They've got a ZK bridge that lets users do private, secure cross-chain swaps, and they have built something called the Interchain Trustless Protocol, which helps BitNet link up easily with other blockchains. The whole thing is built for real use cases like AI, DePIN, DeFi, and real-world assets, and the way it's all connected just shows that they're thinking ahead. And since the tech was already that solid, I wanted to see what they've actually built, because a lot of projects talk big and end up delivering nothing. But BitNet's ecosystem, as you can see, is already live and it's stacked with real tools. They have a bridge for cross-chain asset transfers across multiple networks, a full DEX that lets users trade peer-to-peer with no intermediaries, and a wallet that is scalable and built with quantum-resistant technology to hold Web3 assets securely. They also have an NFT hub where digital assets and NFTs can be stored safely, plus a launchpad that helps new blockchain startups raise funds and grow. On top of that, there is a decentralized oracle and subgraph service that gives real-time data and fast indexing for smart contracts. And what's very important to highlight is that all of this runs on their native coin known as BNC or BitNet coin. I also checked how the tokens are allocated and what their roadmap looks like, and honestly, both are done in a smart and clear way, as you can see. The total supply is 21 billion BNC, and out of that, 50% is reserved for staking rewards, which shows that they're focused on long-term user incentives. 30% of the supply is allocated to the ICO, and the rest is split between development, the team, pre-mining, ecosystem and staking, community, and liquidity. But what really stood out to me here was this key detail. Only 3% of the total 21 billion BNC supply is pre-mined, and there are no linear unlocks, which means no slow release token dumps and no delayed vesting issues. For this space, that's actually a really user-friendly setup and is a huge plus, guys. And as you can see, pretty much everything is public and easy to track directly on their website, which is another plus. The roadmap is also very detailed and makes it easy to follow the full process, starting from building and launching their products to doing audits, growing the community, setting up partnerships, and getting the platform ready for everything that comes comes next. Alright guys, since the tokenomics and roadmap are all checked out, let's try the part most of you are actually here for, and that is earning crypto daily straight from your phone. BitNet built it directly on Telegram, and this is what makes it perfect for everyday users. You don't need a mining rig or any complicated setup. All you need is your phone and a Telegram account. Once you join through the QR code on their website, as I did, you just check in daily, verify your email, complete the simple tasks as I'm doing here, and click claim to earn up to 30,000 SAT every day. What's cool is that you can also join a regional clan to boost your rewards, and as you can see, I tried that out for myself. On top of this, guys, I already tested the referral system by inviting a few friends, and as you can see, for every person you invite, you can get 5,000 SAT instantly. And if you want to boost your earnings even more, you can upgrade starting at $10, which unlocks direct BNC mining and gives you up to 5% USDT commission from referrals. That commission is paid out instantly, which is actually really cool and another huge plus, guys. All the SAT you collect gets converted to BNC, and once the token is listed, you will be able to swap or trade it easily on exchanges. And while I was already testing the mining app and checking how the daily rewards work, I came across something else that makes this even more interesting. BitNet is running a 5,000 USDT rewards campaign right now, and it's honestly a great bonus on top of everything else. The full prize pool is 5,000 USDT, as I said, and it's split into two parts. 2,000 goes to the top 20 referrers, and the other 3,000 is shared between 300 random lucky users. The exact distribution date is May 28th of this year, and to join, all you have to do is start using the BitNet mining mini app. As I said, guys, you can earn up to 30,000 SAT daily just by checking in and completing tasks, and you also get extra SAT when you invite friends. Okay guys, now that the rewards campaign is already running and the earning system actually works, the only question left is whether BitNet is something worth paying attention to. I don't know if this will be the next big thing, but I can say it's definitely something worth watching closely. For me, what makes it interesting is how easy it is to use, because you do not need to be a developer or know complex blockchain stuff to start. And unlike many projects that hide behind vague promises, BitNet already has working products and live features you can try today. I'm keeping an eye on it, and honestly, I'm enjoying stacking passing rewards while I wait to see what else they roll out next. As always, I will leave all the official links down below, including the mini mining bot, Telegram, and socials. And if any of you try it, please let me know how it goes in the comments down below. If you want to, I will do a follow-up video once the token gets listed on exchanges. So until then, guys, see you in the next video.